All right, good morning, kids. Here we go. Another exciting day in digital design. Woohoo! We're in Dreamweaver. We're going to go create new HTML. Here is my code, and you'll see that down here I have my properties panel open. Window, properties. So you should probably get used to having that open. Okay, first thing you're going to do, if you haven't already, is go get the folder, portal, class share, holiday traditions. You'll copy the entire folder and you'll go paste it in your student folder. All right. When you've done that, you need to create your site, new site, call it holiday, and you need to dig into the folder where you just were. When you're into the right folder, there's the folder I want to be in. I select the folder and then I save. I've already done it, so my stuff is already up here. Okay, so the next concept we're going to learn is something called CSS, or cascading style sheets. And in fact, the first thing we're going to do is go File, Attach Style Sheet. And it is in that folder. It's called Communication 2013. You're going to link it, hit OK, and you'll see the code pops in right up here. Okay, so what this is going to do is allow us, and by the way, one other thing before we move on, I want to go put in a background color. There's another way rather than putting it in this tag. We go to Page Properties, Background Color, and hit OK. And the other thing while I'm there, since I have a dark background, I'm going to do my links. They're going to be all bright colors that'll show on a dark background. And I hit OK. Now you'll notice it put in a bunch of other information up here. There's my link to my style sheet, and here's what we just put in. All right. My cursor is outside the body tag. I'm going to hit enter twice and open caret D, actually DI. Okay, we'll click on div, spacebar ID. You click on that, you're going to get a list of a whole bunch of things over here that can go in there. And I'm going to go back and put it in again so my list comes back up. Okay, so the first one I want to put in is my banner. I click banner, close caret, and notice what happened. My first box, my first placeholder, my first div popped in. For now, we're just going to put them all in. So I'm going to go outside the caret, enter, open caret div, spacebar I. Okay, so then I would need to look at my rubric and see what's coming next. So I go down here and I look in my rubric. Here's my portal. Here's my class share. Here's my holiday traditions. Okay, and my schematic should help me a little. Okay, I can see I've got an index, a viewer, two boxes, and a mid-bottom. So, spacebar ID. I'm looking for something called index. There it is. Close my caret. Put the cursor outside, hit enter. Open caret D, I, spacebar, ID. I'm going to go box 1. Open caret D, I, spacebar, ID, box 2, go outside the caret, enter, open caret D, I, spacebar, I. This is going to be mid-bottom. Open caret D, I. This is going to be viewer. And I'm going to drag this up to make sure this is all here. And it is. So there is my first page. File, save as, holiday, index, page. Make sure it's in the proper folder. Save it. That's page 1.